We are in New York, and you're probably wondering what this helmet is on my head. Well, we're biking. Very carefully, we're biking. Gotta be careful. I haven't rode a bike in a while. You see, you can see Jones behind me there. It's great. This is awesome. A little wobbly though, and yeah, gotta be careful. Oh, hang on. All right, gotta slow down here. All right. Okay, so there's Joan. She's on her bike. Here I am on my bike, and yeah, it's a little nerve-wracking with all the cabbies in here doing whatever. But we'll talk soon.